We'll read those reviews for you in a moment. We've got a featured price under $100, so today is the day if you want to create even more space around the home, whether it be the kitchen, the home office, the bathroom. You just want to take up that corner space and utilize it. Pick up a couple because we have 6 easy payments of $16.66, and then we have free shipping and handling, but both of those go away at the end of today, and we're not reordering this. So if you have enjoyed this and it's time for another, or you want to check it out, we have, of course, our holiday return policy in effect until the end of January 2019 to make any returns. This is fabulous for under $100. All the things that you can do. And what I love most about it, Lisa, by the way, your item number is K46516, is it comes fully assembled. Can I get an amen?
I know. There's a couple things I like. Fully assembled and free. And they're all in the show today, so I love that. An easy
oh my goodness, exactly. It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so why did you design this?
Absolutely.
And the design, if you are a Temp-tations fan, especially created for you, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. We designed this because we started with our original baker's rack, and everybody just loved it. So they said, you know what though? We want something that can go in the corner, light up those darker corners. So this is powder coated steel. That's what makes it lightweight, under 17 pounds, but it also makes it extremely durable.
Yeah.
We have the old world and the floral lace design that you see right here along the back. We left the back open so that if you want to put plugs, like maybe your brand new stand mixer from KitchenAid, that will fit on here. And I'll show you in a second. It's perfect. We did a tightly woven, just see the mesh right there? Tightly woven powder coated steel mesh. That's how you can put the tiniest little things on here if you want to. Each shelf will hold 30 pounds. So you have 120 pound capacity. Out of the box, ready to go. But let me show you this. This is the gunmetal color, by the way. When you want to tuck it away, you lift up the top one. The bottom 3 are all in the same ratcheting system. You lower this down. And watch this. I can move it from room to room. I can move it inside and outside. And if you can store an ironing board, you can store this. That's what we love about it.
Gunmetal, always really popular.
Always.
I know that because it plays into the grays that we're seeing in home decor right now.
Yes, and the stainless steel kitchens.
Exactly.
Exactly, yeah.
But if you decorate with your reds, or if you're thinking holidays, what I would do with this is create like a dessert bar for my guests and have tiers of dessert and maybe a coffee bar with a Keurig machine. Have some fun, maybe do a little bubble bar. You could have fun with this red for the holidays.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. Do you ever hear anybody say, I have so much storage in my kitchen, I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do with it.
Said no one ever.
Yeah, really. Yes. And I'm reading these reviews. They are at the bottom of your screen as it's customer top rated. And a lot of you are purchasing more than one. And we're going to show you how you can create a full rack as well. The white.
Love
now, if you have that beautiful white kitchen, this is great. Or that white bathroom.
Or a baby's room. How adorable. It's like a changing station. Not for the baby, but you could put like your day, you know, all the things you need, like your diaper wipes, your diapers, all that kind of stuff.
Oh, that's so cute. And the navy. So I decorate with a lot of blue in the living room, and there always needs to be like a little extra space as well.
Yes.
For the picture frames. The kids come back with their school pictures.
Yeah, very difficult to decorate a corner. Here's an easy way to fill it.
Beautiful. I like this green as well, especially for this time of year.
It's not so, oh yes, love it. This is what we call our brown, but it's really more of a bronze. And what I want to call out is this is truly, we did this if you want that wood tone to match back to your furniture.
Nice.
This is perfect.
Beautiful. And then finally, the black. And maybe this is displaying your Temp-tations as you have done here and created a full rack as you gave us the look of 2. And you can do that easily today on that easy pay that goes away at the end of today and the free shipping and handling. If you're thinking that you want to create this look, and if it doesn't work for you, you can send one back until the end of January 2019.
I love this though. So what you do is you put 2 together, you create a flat back, and now it's actually a full rack that can hold 240 pounds.
That's amazing.
Which is amazing.
Height of this again? This is going to be, I'll tell you, no worries. This stands 57 inches high.
Okay.
So you're getting good height on this. And then the width is 23 inches open. But of course, you showed us closed, even smaller. And then the depth of this closed is just a little over 4 inches.
It's amazing.
So it takes up no space at all.
Hey, look what we did here. The today's special value is right here because remember each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds, so you get 120 pound capacity. But remember, you asked to show off your Temp-tations. You asked for some help with corners. Here's your solution.
And what's great about this too is if you want to move this outside, this is powder coated steel. It shouldn't ever live outside. But you know, come summertime, you will have a little pool party. You want to do a little margarita station.
Absolutely.
You can pull this outside because it is so lightweight. Again, it's under 17 pounds and it's adjustable, and each shelf up to 30 pounds.
I love this because, again, You can move this from room to room as the weather gets nice and you want to go outside. Perfect.
I know, I love that. Try it. It's
this.
customer top rated. You've got the easy pay today, the best that we offer. You've got the free shipping and handling, but both of those go away at the end of today. It's under $100, so take advantage of that featured price, especially today if you want more than one. K46516. We're going back in the kitchen, and we're going to talk about 17-piece entertainment set. I've been waiting for this moment.
Have you?
Yes, because I love a value, and I love the idea of maybe breaking apart sets